Hey everyone, it's Natalie, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make vegan egg rolls. This recipe is for 4 servings, so it's going to make 4 egg rolls. So whatever egg roll wraps you do decide to use, vegan or not vegan, be prepared to use 4. I was pretty blessed that my local supermarket has these, and when I saw that they were vegan, I knew I had to snatch them up. You're going to have to use 1 bowl of cabbage and shredded carrots, which mine already came pre-cut, 2 to 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, give or take, depending on your liking, and we are going to use 1/4 of red onion, 2 garlic cloves. I added like 2.5 because I had a little extra one, and 1 thumb of ginger. So now I'm going to roughly chop up the onion and finally dice up the garlic and ginger because they're smaller, so they have to be finer. Once your stove is on medium heat, now you're just going to add in your red onion, garlic, and ginger. After a minute or two, it started to get a little bit dry, so I added in some water, and right after that I added in the soy sauce and just sauteed that for a bit. Once I saw that the onions, garlic, and ginger were pretty cooked up, I decided that now would be a good time to add in the cabbage and carrots. And I'm going to be using a folding technique so that the onion, garlic, and ginger would now be on top to kind of get the flavor all up in the cabbage and the carrots, and also have space for the cabbage and carrots to cook while not overcooking the other ingredients that were in there before. Once you could tell that everything has been officially cooked, you're just going to transfer that onto another bowl. That's what I'm doing right now. And I'm actually going to end up washing that same pan and then filling that up with oil and reusing that pan once we fry up our egg rolls. Now this part is pretty easy, to be honest. You just have to have a delicate hand. So you just add in like a palm-sized amount of the filling. Then you give it 1 roll and you're going to tuck that in. And then once you have it tucked in and rolled over, now you're going to tuck in the flap on each side, and then you're going to finish rolling that up. Once you have finished rolling it, now you're just going to use water and you're going to use that to seal it up, and it's going to work as a glue. And this is super essential in this process. For the second one, I already started it off with using water to seal the edges, since these were kind of cracked because I had the bag opened beforehand. But now we're just going to repeat the same process. We're going to add in the filling, we're going to fold that over and tuck it in. Then we're going to fold over the sides and then finish rolling it up. And of course, using water again to seal the edges. So I'm pretty sure you guys get how to do this by now, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You know, same process, and especially if your wraps are dry, kind of like mine, then do not forget the water. That's super crucial. Now this last one was ripped up pretty bad, which isn't a problem as long as you have more wraps. So what I just did, I just got another wrap and I just put that over it, and now you guys are gonna watch me wrap this half wrapped egg roll in another wrap. And honestly, I don't mind. I actually like it because the wrap is one of my favorite parts once it's all fried and done. So I honestly really liked it, probably even better with the double wrap. If you have a rip, that's no problem, just put another one over it if you don't want to throw it out. Now, once your oil is hot and ready to fry something up, I'm using these tongs to place in each egg roll pretty carefully because, you know, you definitely have to be careful with oil. So just place them in one by one with the tongs and leave them on each side for about 2-3 minutes. And once about 2-3 minutes go by, then I think it's safe to kind of check. And if it's like a golden, light tannish, light brown, then it's okay to flip over. Once they are done on both sides, then carefully take each egg roll out one by one with the tongs and try to shake as much oil off when taking them out of the pan because they're going to be pretty oily. This is the finished result. I'm super happy with how they came out. They came out delicious. They definitely weren't any leftovers with these. I kind of over fried some. The ones that are a little more darker in color, those were the ones that I left a little bit longer by accident. I really didn't realize in the moment, but the first one that I did a little cross section cut is really what you want to go for in terms of the looks and the color. Like I said, you want to do a tan or light golden brown. There it is. You guys saw how I make my vegan egg rolls. I've been wanting egg rolls for so long, so when I finally found these wraps, I definitely had to get on it. I'm so glad that I can make this video for you guys, and if you guys end up recreating it, comment down below how you like it. And I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.